Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make these gluten, sugar and dairy free sweet potato brownies. So for these brownies I used honey, cocoa powder, baking soda, eggs, tahini, vanilla extract and boiled sweet potatoes. Put all the ingredients in a food processor or a blender. Process it until it's completely smooth. Pour the batter into a prepared baking dish. Then bake it in a preheated oven of 175 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Allow it to cool down and cut it. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.